Let's take a look at Redstone Estate in Sunbury, a master planned community where connection and lifestyle go hand in hand. Whether it's exploring the bike trails, enjoying the walking tracks, or spending time at the vibrant Club Redstone, this community is designed to bring people together. At our Redstone Display Village, Carlisle homes showcase 3 exceptional designs. From our Affinity collection, the Sorrento Grand 45 exudes sophistication with open-plan living spaces that flow effortlessly, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. And from our Inspire collection, the Sacramento 31 and Piedmont 29 combine style and practicality, catering to modern families who want it all. Redstone is surrounded by the breathtaking natural beauty of the Sunbury escarpment, while offering unparalleled access to urban convenience. With seamless connections to Tullamarine Airport and Melbourne's bustling CBD, and with the serene Macedon Ranges right on your doorstep, this is balanced living at its best. So whether you're looking to build at Redstone or nearby Maplestone or Kingsfield, come visit our display homes at Redstone Estate and take the first step towards building your dream home. At Redstone, life's better with Carlisle Homes.